Hi, here's how to print files to 3 printers at once with hot folder monitoring in Batch and Print Pro. There's a little bit of setup time. Once you have it set up, you can print as many files as you want like this automatically. So to start with, you need to create some printer files. All it is a text file with the printer name and .printer as the file extension. So it should look exactly like that for each printer you have. Which here I've got 3 printers. So Toshiba Universal PS3 will be here with .printer as a file extension. The 0 bytes is just a file, that's it. So once you have those created, what you need to do is drag and drop the order that you want it in. So I'm going to do Toshiba first, and then an example file, it could be any file, and then Rico, and I'll put same file in again, and Xerox Work Center, and same file again. So if I click print now, it will print to each of those printers the same file. Okay, so you've got the same file on each printer. So I'm going to clear those off now. So to do that automatically with many PDF files or any type of file, so what you do is actually select the files with the Control key, go to Action menu, set file for replication, click Yes. Now in here, I just want to save this setup. So click on File menu, Save Settings As, and then save it to a file, which is this file here in this folder. It can be anywhere. Now I've done that, what I'm going to do is clear this, go into Option menu, Directory Manager Setup. So I'm going to set it to monitor this folder here for PDFs in this case, but it can be any type of file. So say, for example, if you want images, you can put .jpg or whatever it is. It's case sensitive as well. You can add in, if you put a pipe and then PDF, it'll do other cases as well. And then you go on to extra option notifications at the side, and you browse to your replication file here, which it has set up. So what that does, it applies that setting to any new file coming in. Then click Add to Monitor List. OK. Activate monitoring, save and exit. So now we'll scan that folder for PDFs in this case, and it will add, and it will set all the settings to print out on 3 different printers. So that's now printed. Now, as you can see, it's only printed one of the files. It's because it's printed it before. Just go into Logs and Reports, Print Log, Clear Print Log. Then it will add the files afresh as though it's the first time. So it's added the sample 3 times and the VG3 3 times. So if you have any problems with speed, if you go to Options menu, General Setup Options, in here you can don't check Spool Queue for print. That will speed it up, so then it doesn't need to check if it's printing or not, especially with my image files. So I can do that again, clear print log. And that's it. Give it a try.